Welcome to ExpertWorks, a leading cloud-based e-learning platform. You're welcome to the expert level course on Salesforce. With this course, you will gain advanced level knowledge on Salesforce. Please watch the following animation video to get the course overview.
In this course, you will first learn how to create various actions in Process Builder. In the next topic, you will learn about plan approvals and create approvals through the process. This topic will also teach you how to use the approval wizard standard versus jumpstart. Next, you will be introduced to the data management system. Under this topic, you understand what data management is and the different tools required to perform data management activity. This topic will also discuss data import wizard. After this, you will learn about the Lightning administration in Salesforce. This topic will help you understand the concept of Lightning, upgrading classic apps to Lightning apps, creating new Lightning apps, editing Lightning pages, adding components to Lightning pages and applying filters. With this, you will reach the final topic, Lightning App Builder. Under this topic, you will learn how to create a home page, an app page and a record page. The final concepts will include reports and dashboards for Lightning and creating reports and dashboards in Lightning.
Hope you will become expert in Salesforce with this course. Happy learning!